Welcome to this quick guide in which we will show how to set up the Ruler3000 and capture your first image. This will be done using the PC software Stream Setup, which can be downloaded from SICK.com. Mount the camera so that the object is within the field of view. Make sure the laser is aligned vertically and is perpendicular to the direction of movement. Connect the Ethernet and power I/O cables to the camera and plug the Ethernet cable into your computer. We recommend using an encoder to trigger the profiles with equal spacing. Once everything is connected, go ahead and switch on the power. Open Stream Setup and select your camera from the list. Configure the camera's IP address so that it matches your PC's network settings. Then connect to the camera. Head over to the sensor view and start the camera. Adjust the region of interest to fit the object and set the exposure time to get a good image of the laser line. A properly exposed laser line is neither saturated or too dark. Enable the laser visualization to check where the laser line is being extracted. Next, go to the Scan Data tab and set the profile triggering mode to encoder. Then adjust the encoder parameters. Set the resolution of the connected encoder. Pulses per profile controls how often a profile is captured, and this affects the resolution in the direction of movement. Then you set how many profiles you want per image. And now you are ready to make a scan. You can view the captured image in 2D and switch between the image components. You can also view the captured image in the 3D viewer. By pressing Capture Image, we can add the image directly to the Evaluation tab. In the Evaluation tab, you can explore image details and apply processing tools like filters and profile extraction. Finally, don't forget to save your configuration. You can either store it on the device as a user set or export it to your PC. The benefit of saving a user set is that it's saved on the device and can be selected to load as default on startup. Exporting it to your PC is a convenient way to transfer the configuration to multiple cameras. Now you know how to get started with your Ruler3000 using Stream Setup. For more details, please see the Stream Setup operating instructions. Once you are satisfied with the image quality, look at the code examples in the Stream SDK to see how to integrate this into your own solution. This can be downloaded from SICK.com.